At the Steadman Philippon Research Institute, we aim to be the world leader of evidence-based research. Your help is required, but first, let's find out what evidence-based medicine is. Our busy clinical research department collects data from every patient of the Steadman Clinic through patient questionnaires, clinical exams, surgical observations, and follow-up surveys. Our secure database contains information on the more than 19,000 knees, 3,000 hips, 2,000 shoulders, and 400 feet and ankles our doctors have treated. We study this database and publish our conclusions, which are immediately integrated into clinical practice. Through this process, our doctors are constantly refining their treatment algorithms. Our biomechanics department studies how our bodies move with an array of high-speed motion capture cameras. Sensors in the floor detect ground reaction forces. We use dual-plane fluoroscopy, which allows us to study motion in a live subject at the finest level of detail currently available. 2 sets of radiographic movies are coordinated with data from the CT scan to create a virtual 3D model of actual joint motion with sub-millimeter accuracy. Then we study this model with engineering software to learn about how the human body moves with a degree of precision that is found almost nowhere else in the world. We have the equipment and expertise to test the strength of surgical repairs and implants. We can measure the forces they withstand to validate and optimize the procedures used in surgery. Armed with this information, our team of engineers and scientists interprets the data and publishes their research to share with the larger scientific community. Our facility also includes a complete surgical skills lab, a miniature operating room for our fellows and visiting doctors. Here, they hone the skills they learn from our attending physicians before taking them to their practices across the country and around the world. This lab allows our researchers to develop and test new surgical techniques and to broadcast surgical skills courses anywhere in the world via web or satellite. In our brand new imaging research department, we are now developing software to help us with earlier detection of osteoarthritis and to improve our ability to evaluate the success of our treatments for cartilage repair. The imaging department also engages an MD radiologist fellow to advance their research. The Institute's crown jewel is the fellowship. Each year, 6 of the country's top orthopedic residents receive further training in surgery, sports medicine, and research. This year, we have expanded to include fellows in the foot and ankle and imaging specialties. The impact of the fellowship is undeniable. We have fine-tuned the training of over 180 doctors and sent them all over the world to practice our brand of joint preservation, injury prevention and treatment, and research. Their knowledge and expertise contributes to the body of research that improves care for all people with joint disease, preserving their ability to play their sport or do their job, and to maintain a long, active life. We have extended our reach internationally, modernized our facility, recruited top talent, and broadened our focus to include early causes of joint disease. After 23 years of excellence in research, we are only getting started. The Steadman Philippon Research Institute is boldly stepping into the future. The question is, will you be taking that step with us?